Welcome again to Gloves on Coding, where learners try to grasp something that they can achieve. We, the coders right here, I don't know if they call them coders or programmers, but we, the people who are behind these videos, we're also learning, just like some of you who are clicking on the videos. And thank you for clicking on the video. But before going any further, we left an information the other time that help us to see what we can start with. Now, someone said in the comment sections, let's start with C. And I said, no problem. What if, let's just try it, because it's not going to be a problem, as since we are going to be having guidance from some of you here. If we go wrong, you direct us. If we go right, you also tell us, yeah, we are going right. Okay, now back to it. So before you dive into C, you need this Visual Studio Code. I'll leave the link for you where to download it from. Then as soon as you get the Visual Studio Code, make sure to come to this extensions bar. You click on it. After clicking on the extensions bar, then you search C. You search for C. After searching for C, you'll have these. It will be the C extension pack. After getting the C extension pack, you install it. After installing it, there's no need for going one by one. It will install for you this one. That's the C stroke C++, and then the C stroke C++ teams. Then it will also get for you the C debugging, the debugging tool. Like here, it will get for you the debugger for C++. Then after getting those, we can close this window, because I'll come back to it later on in our videos. So there's something, I know you're looking at what is there the other side, but first let me show for you how to get it. So you also need this thing called MingGW. So you just come to the search bar, any browser that you have, and you type MingGW download, and then you choose this first one here, this first link here from SourceForge. Yeah, that's where I got mine from. Then you just come and click on download. Then you have to make sure it's a Windows version. If you're using the Mac, you download the Mac version. If you're using Linux, you download the Linux version. But for me, right now, I'm still on the Windows version. Okay, now let's come back to this. So after downloading that MingGW, it comes with these four things. Don't delete any of them, because they are very useful. And once you get it, make sure to install this one, this MySys to set up. Now me, I already have it. There's no need for it. Then there's this one here. Make sure to make it a source and connect it to your Visual Studio Code. Okay, that's all we have for today. Then we shall catch you in the next video, where we will make you, in fact we shall make together and print hello world. So thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. And here we are.